In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Notion. To get started, open the database where you want to create your formula. At the far right of your property headers, click the plus icon to add a new property. From the Property Type menu, search for Formula and select it. This creates a new formula column in your database. Once that column appears, click inside it to open the formula editor. This is where all of your formula building happens. Before you start writing anything, it helps to understand the layout of the formula editor. In the main formula box, you can type or paste your formula code directly. This is the central area you'll work in most of the time. On the left side, you'll see a side panel that lists the available properties in your database, along with functions, constants, and operators. Instead of memorizing everything right away, you can click items from this panel to insert them into your formula, which makes the process much easier and reduces mistakes. Another useful part of the editor is the live preview. As you type, Notion shows the exact output for the current row you are working on. This is extremely helpful for troubleshooting because you can immediately see whether your formula is producing the result you expect. If something looks off, you can adjust the formula and watch the preview update in real time. Now let's talk about the core building blocks of Notion formulas. These formulas are made up of a few essential components, and once you understand them, creating formulas becomes much less intimidating. The first component is properties. Properties are the data fields in your database, such as numbers, text, dates, or checkboxes. To reference a property in a formula, type prop followed by the property name in quotation marks. Like prop, open parenthesis, quotation mark property. Name quotation mark close parenthesis. This tells Notion exactly which field you want to pull data from. The next component is operators. Operators are the symbols that perform math or logic. For example, the plus sign adds values, the minus sign subtracts, the asterisk multiplies, and the forward slash divides. You'll also see logic operators like double equals, which checks whether two values are equal, and exclamation mark equals, which checks whether two values are not equal. As you build formulas, take advantage of the side panel and the live preview to guide you. That way, you are not just typing code blindly, you are understanding what each piece does as you go. With these basics in place, you are ready to start using formulas in Notion more confidently and efficiently.